Howdy, folks. If you ever saw that TV show Wicked Tuna, one of the captains took this photograph of a mermaid. Yeah, out tuna fishing. Look at that. Is that cool? Now, I don't know if I can give you the name. I could, Wicked Tuna from the TV show. I'm sure it'll eventually come out, but yeah, well, I'm not going to say which captain saw it. I don't know if I can use his name or not. But look at that. Is that amazing? Apparently, this is what they saw. Him and his deckhand. So, I have no idea. Believe it or not, I guess.